motivation through highlighting the remarkable journeys of successful businesses. With a commitment to professionalism and excellence, EMMI Empire magazine aims to empower aspiring entrepreneurs and leaders by equipping them with valuable knowledge and inspiration in their respective fields.
We are so happy to welcome on board EMMI Empire, Dr. Aris Marie, my sister. I was very glad and happy to be in the first Arab awarded by EMMI Empire in USA. So welcome to USA and UAE.
That was a place that is something that's been accessible today is heaven on earth. It has become a global hub where everyone have a voice. I don't feel like I'm from Africa or I stay in America or I have people. The Indians are becoming my family. I meet the people from China and the other country people. I feel like this is family. Dubai is the world, is a global future, trust me. I don't know how people see it, but it's a hope. It's a taste of beauty. It's a taste of security. Everything is in this place. And I told myself, it is high time. I told him, I told the group, I said, it's high time we go to Dubai and see what's happening in that city.
And society at large. By partnering with public, private, and civil society institutions.
Thank you, Nina. I appreciate that. Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining us tonight. I'm here to introduce is a dynamic global organization in Africa, the USA, and now the
Let's clap it up. Born from the belief that entrepreneurship is the key to empowering young people. Despite unemployment and limited access to starting capital, they are a force for profitable business. Our youth-focused organizations offer pride of themselves. Our vision at EMMI Empire is to cultivate purpose-driven families and their communities and society at large.
Myself, Dr. Kabir, I am representing Sheikh Majid Al Malla Group of Companies. Mashallah, first thing, we are very happy to be the part of this event. It is a great initiative taken by the doctor, mashallah, sitting here. Come here, and we are ready to support her as much as we can through Sheikh Majid Rashid Al Malla Group of Companies. The event is very well organized, and it is all about empowering women and the launching of this magazines. Mashallah, she's here and feeling very blessed and very happy, and we are also very happy to be part of this event.
I would like to thank you all for creating this event, what it is today. Mashallah, it's a great initiative what the ladies taken all the way from USA, empowering women through leadership and how they can improve themselves. So that's a great topic for them to look into and to act on to.
I would like to give my best wishes on the launch of today's magazine, which is EMMI Empire. And of course, I was really delighted to see all the participants and also the awards that were given to different personalities here in the United Arab Emirates.
سعدنا بالدعوة وخاصة مكتب الشيخ ماجد بن راشد المعلى، واستانسنا وكانوا يتكلمون عن المجلة ودعوة من الأخت الفاضلة اللي على البوست من المجلة. والله تشرفت سمونا وسعدت.
I am so excited, to bring the third edition of the EMMI Empire magazine here in Dubai. Guess what? It is more exciting to see more people come up. I love Dubai. I love Dubai. I love this city. And I just want to say thank you, Dubai, for accepting and embracing EMMI Empire and accepting our third edition of the magazine. It is a luxury. It is excellent. It is everything that you want to see in an amazing magazine. And I am so glad that I see beautiful faces, the sheikhs, people from Chad, people from Mali, people from Cameroon, from the USA, from other countries. They're actually here. And I'm here with an amazing team that we put this together. I'm so grateful. Now let me say something about the media. I love the media of UAE like more than any other media. They came aggressively, like years. As I'm speaking right now, there are more of them still calling on like, how do we come in? How do we come in? I've never seen nothing like that. In other countries, you get to pursue the media. But here in UAE, the media pursue you. Thank you so much. I love you guys so much. Thank you. I don't know what to say, but just say thank you to the media. They're wonderful. Okay, Akai News, thank you so much for being present and punctual. Punctuality. Thank you so much for being punctual and covering everything detailedly. I saw them everywhere for every interview, for every individual, for every personality. It means that they are very conscious. They know why they're here. Thank you.
Thank you so much. It's a great pleasure. I was the first awardee Arab in US with EMMI Empire magazine. Dr. Eris Marie is my close sister and strategic partner, and she come to Dubai. It's not her first time. She launched her book, and today we're launching the Power EMMI Empire magazine, which for women empowerment and also for the business incubator and Laila Rahal, Dubai. And thank you to your media because दिल की अच्छा है, media अच्छा है, प्यारे प्यारे है, Dubai, Pakistan, India, everywhere in Dubai. Thank you.
This beautiful inaugural event hosted by EMMI Empire. So as I know that she has earlier done an event in US and now she has chosen the iconic city of Dubai. Dubai, I call it happitude. Happitude is when longitude and latitude meet and connect with happiness. And that's why this is the city of happiness. The way you handle it and the way you actually promote it is wonderful. I wish you good luck and success. And I hope
सीखने में बिलीव करता हूँ। कोई भी इवेंट में आप जाते हो, इस टाइप का इवेंट पर्टिकुलर आप खुद सीखते हो और जब भी आप सीखते हो आप अपने आप को अपग्रेड करते हो एंड दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द इवेंट विच आई रियली लव टू अटेंड एंड ये कि अपना थॉट कंट्रोल करो, जो आप सोचते हो वो आपका रिजल्ट होता है।
एम्पायर है, ये न्यूज़ मैगज़ीन है। एमी अमेरिका से आके यहाँ पे न्यूज़ मैगज़ीन लॉन्च कर रही है और लीडरशिप अवार्ड्स हैं। इट टेक्स रियली जो है बहुत हौसला लगता है अमेरिका से आना, यहाँ पे ऑर्गेनाइज करना और काफ़ी अच्छे लोग, लीडर्स, कॉन्सुलेट्स और बड़ी हस्तियाँ यहाँ पर मौजूद हैं जिनको हकायक फॉर कवरिंग आवर न्यूज़। God bless you.
Thank you very much. أنا مسعدين مايدة هنغتا من تشاد. أنا برلمانية. فخورة جدا لهذا اليوم لأمباير إيمي. جيت باسم تشاد وفرحانين شديد وشكرا كثيرا للمجازين ونحن دايما وعبدا مع إيمي أمبير. حكاية نيوز متشرفة جدا نكون مع عوايد نيوز. شكرا عليكم كثير.
This is a great event and this is a very established brand in US. Now they are bringing it to Dubai. So I wish them all the best and look forward for their growth in Dubai. Great land of opportunity. More than 200 nationalities thrive in Dubai peacefully with harmony. So, this is a wonderful example of a blend of East and West in Dubai.
Any powerful woman stand more powerful woman. So this is about empowered women. Our job is empower each other and help for each other. I'm so happy to be here. Thank you for inviting me and be a part of this.
Me here, and this is a company based in USA, and they are launching their magazine, and they are now connecting all the business owners here in Dubai, more empowerment and the growth of all the businesses across the globe, especially Dubai.
Hello, I'm Lana, owner of World Fashion Week Dubai, and I'm happy to be today here because we are a lot of beautiful people from fashion industry, and of course I'm happy to be for first launch this magazine in Dubai. This is our media partner, so I'm happy to support them.
It's very great magazine, EMMI Empire magazine. I am here as a VIP guest, and I'm the actress from Iran. I have done 200 movie in Iran since 30 years back, and I'm filmmaker also, working in Bollywood movies since 15 years.
आज का इवेंट ये बहुत ही अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पे विमेन एम्पावरमेंट की बात हो रही है एंड आई बिलीव कि यहाँ पे आपको इम्प्रूव करने की आपकी सो इट्स ऑल अबाउट business, women empowerment, and thank you Haqaiq News to give me this opportunity and keep watching this Haqaiq News.
माशाल्लाह से बहुत अच्छा इवेंट गुजरा हमारा जो हमारे एमी हैं एमी एम्पायर मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर डॉक्टर इस्मेरी who is known as EMMI and the empire is known as EMMI Empire, and this event is a very successful event. We've been promoting this from a long time, and now this is the day where we have highlighted EMMI Empire, and we are very happy to launch such a beautiful magazine here in Dubai.
As always, Alhamdulillah, ये तो पहले अल्लाह की मेहरबानी है, and the next is like the hard work behind this. Like Adzone is always there. हर time यही repeat करते हैं कि कुछ ना कुछ implement. As this time we had the beautiful feathers, we had the logo of with acrylic. So हर चीज़ जो है हम कोशिश करते हैं कि every time we could have come out with something good and unique. So it's always our dream कि हम कुछ ना कुछ इवेंट के अंदर लाए. तो हर जगह देखो बैकड्रॉप भी होता है हर जगह, बट दिस टाइम वी वांटेड समथिंग यूनिक as it's just not a start and it's just not the last, and we are just started with something very good. And thank you so much for all the media people, all the chief guests, guest of honors, VIPs and special guests. सबकी माशाल्लाह से एक तो दुआ थी, and I'm so glad that everything went well and we had a successful video, a successful coverages, successful event. Alhamdulillah, we are blessed. Thank you so much. Haqaiq News के लिए thank you so much for always covering up in a beautiful way. Not only there's like all the medias who supported us in each and every way. I'm very glad to be part of your networking, part of your connections. I'm really blessed to have this media who is working for us, supporting us, because as I always tell, media के बगैर तो कुछ भी नहीं है. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I can't wait.